Welcome to our tutorial on how to unfollow a group on Telegram on your PC. Let's go through the steps to easily stop following a group. To begin, open telegram.com on your PC. Once you're on the Telegram website, locate the group that you want to unfollow. Find the specific group you wish to unfollow and click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the group's page. This will reveal a menu with additional options. From the drop-down menu, select the Exit option. A confirmation message will appear to ensure you want to unfollow the group. Confirm your decision to unfollow the group by clicking on the appropriate button in the confirmation message. By unfollowing a group, you can declutter your Telegram feed and focus on the groups that are most relevant to you. Unfollowing groups that no longer interest you can help streamline your Telegram experience and ensure that you engage with groups that align with your interests. By following these steps, you can easily unfollow groups on Telegram on your PC, customizing your group memberships to suit your preferences. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in learning how to unfollow groups on Telegram on your PC. Stay tuned for more informative tutorials and tips.